Okay, we're here to demonstrate the installation of a SeptiSurge. Real life scenario. Kyle's going to lift the lid off the box. And then he's going to lift the first riser, which is the only riser in this application. And since our finger don't lie necessarily the way the box is configured, he's going to change out a plug with a boot to demonstrate how that can be done easily. Take two plugs out, put them on the other side of the box. Take the two boots out, they slip right out. There's a lip on the boot that slides into the edge of the box side. It snaps in, it's like that. There's one. There's the other. And then we replace the hole on the box with the furnished plugs. They snap in. We want to be sure to install those from the outside of the box so that the pressure of the dirt won't push them through the hole. Line the ridges up on the box like Kyle's doing, and then we're ready to set the box in the hole. And now we're ready to set the distribution box into the hole that's already been dug. We've got one of the finger trenches going off this way and one going off that way, and Kyle's going to set that box in the hole and position it so that the pipes will line up. And the first thing he'll do is he'll set the box and he'll check the box for level, getting it pretty much the way he wants it configured for the septic pipe coming in, which is that pipe right there. Gauging how much he's going to have to alter the base that the box is sitting on. Now in this case we have enough elevation where we can actually dig down on the high side because the box needs to be on undisturbed soil. If a configuration exists where lowering the box is not an option, then the low side of the box could be raised using a 100% compaction material such as a P-fill or a very fine stone. Okay, now we've leveled the hole. Kyle's going to set the box in. And we're going to check it to be sure we're level. Good that way. Good that way. And we're ready for the next step. Now at this point we recommend putting the riser on and then the lid, because we want to make sure that we don't get any dirt or debris inside the box. And also it's a good idea to kick or shovel some dirt up around the base of the box, avoiding getting any of the dirt inside the open holes, and this will help stabilize the box for the insertion of the pipes, keeping it in the position where it has been set for level. Now Kyle is stamping down on the dirt to pack it in so it's going to hold the box. The next step is we're going to show the insertion of a pipe. We've already pre-cut the length. And first we're going to loosen the hose clamp around the rubber boot. We'll take the piece of pipe, in this case it's SDR35. Kyle's going to push it into the rubber boot, and if you slightly twist it, it will easily go in. We want about 1/8 of an inch penetration into the box, and then he's going to tighten the clamp back up. We're hooked up to the first chamber. And now we're going to show the installation of the optional insulation panel for colder weather applications. Kyle's taking the panel, put it in one side, and then feather it around to the edge, all the way around, and then press down gently around the outside edges until you feel it stop against the riser stops. And that's the installation of that. Now we're going to show the lid setting on it. And you'll notice that this is just about ground height, because this device must be accessible after installation at ground level.